Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video we will learn about comments and variables. This is what we learned in our previous lecture, the basic structure of a C++ program. I'll just copy this and make another file t2.cpp and I'll paste the code here. This was basic structure, so it will remain constant in all of our videos. So first, comments. Comments are used to explain the code or exclude any part of the code that you not want to include in our program. For example, if I just want to display something on the screen. Hello world code, just like we wrote in our previous video. And if we want to display it, you can see hello world is displayed 4 times. And if we want to comment, for example, we just want to display 2 of these and we want to exclude the first 2 lines. We will write 2 forward slashes before every line and the line will be commented. This will not be included in the program. Wait, yes, here. Only these 2 lines are executed. So there are 2 ways to comment. As I just showed you, double slash and the line will be commented. Another way to comment a block of line is you can write forward slash asterisk and forward slash. Anything you write between these will be commented. If you write anything here, all of this will be considered a comment and will not be executed in the program. I'll run it and 4 times hello world, this will be excluded. So this was all for comment. So now moving on to variables. Variables is a really simple concept. Variables store data just like in algebra. There are different data types in C++. While declaring variable, you have to initialize its data type as well. Here is a syntax to declare variables. First you write the data type, then variable name, and the value to the variable that you want to give, and end it with a semicolon. So this is the syntax. Now I'll write the initialize variable for you. Integer, int is short for integer. It is a data type, and whatever you want to name the variable. For example, age, give it equal to 20. Now a variable with the name of age and with data type int will have a value of 20. You can display this value, cout age, and if you run it, 20. There is another way, like if you do not want to initialize the value here, another way you can write it is in num, and you can give a value later, 20 or 210, whatever. And if here run it, and now the value of num is displayed. You can also initialize many variables in one line of the same data type. Like for example, int num, num2, num3. You can initialize all of these in one line as well. So there are different data types. These are some basic data types. For this is int. It contains only integer values. It will not contain any floating point numbers. For example, it does not include decimal numbers. Size is 4 bytes. Float is another basic data type. It can contain decimal points up to 6 to 7 digits. Size is also 4 bytes. Double is just the double of float. Its size is 4. It can contain more decimal numbers. Char is short for character. It can contain only 1 character at a time. For example, A, B, C, or any other special characters as well. Size is 1 byte. String, it contains a series of characters. Its size is 24 bytes, and bool is another data type. It contains only 2 values, 0 or 1, or it can also store true or false. It's the same thing. 0 is false, true is 1, and its size is 1 byte. So now let's use these in one example. So string name cryptocoders, and age plus the data type, int age equals 20, character grade equal A, and float attendance equal whatever you want, for example 60.8. Now if you want to display all of these, you can see out all of these. See out my name is, here you will write the variable name, my age is, now write the age variable, that is age here. I got an, you will write the grade here, grade in programming, and my attendance was attendance percent. Now let's display all of this. Here you can see my name is cryptocoders, my age is 20, I got an A grade in programming, and my attendance was 60.8%. Name variable displayed this, age displayed here, grade and attendance. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind while naming your variables. Variables name can contain letters like I have digits here, name. It can contain underscore. It can even start with an underscore, but it can never start with a number. You can see it gives an error here. It cannot start with a number. It cannot contain any special characters other than underscore. And it cannot contain any keywords, like int is a keyword, main is a keyword, float, or any of the keywords. Name anything yourself, but do not give name of your variables as any keyword. So yeah, this was it for today. If you liked the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.